Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you this wireless keyboard and gaming mouse set. It comes with a wireless 2.4G dongle, has 3 DPI levels, is suitable for Windows and MacOS. It's supposed to be whisper silent and has even some built-in spill protection. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get, and then show you how to use it in real life. So here we have the box and there's even a model name. So let's open and see what we get. Everything comes nicely protected. So here we have the mouse, I would say decent size, of course lightweight, but nice shape and really awesome size. And here's the keyboard. And here we have some user manual with some information. I hope it's focusing nicely so you can read everything if you have some questions. Also the keyboard full size, as you can see, comes with everything. F keys, has all the special functions here. Also the numbers, keys, everything full size, and comes with this ergonomic support. Of course it's not soft, it's hard plastic, but still can help. Here we have it on the back side. Comes with this nice stand here. That's something which I like. It has just 2 positions, but this can still help. I love this. Comes with this soft rubber feet here in the front to give a safe stand. Here the model of the wireless keyboard, and so we have to open and insert some batteries. For the mouse we need a AA 1.5 volt battery, and here for the keyboard a AAA battery. So we add the AAA battery here and close the compartment and add the AA battery here. Turns on automatically, and here we have the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi dongle, nicely protected. So if you don't need it, you can put it back. A really nice idea here. And so I've installed this keyboard and mouse on this new mini PC, and I've been working for a couple of hours, and I can confirm that everything is working really nicely. What I absolutely love is this damped noise here. It's really quite silent. I mean, it's not absolutely silent, but it's much more quiet than my normal keyboard what I'm using. Of course, much more quiet than any kind of mechanical keyboard, but also for this type of keyboard I would say it's very silent. Every key which you hit is somehow damped, and it's not only about the noise, also the feeling. When you write, it's really comfortable. You have this really nice, soft, damped feeling here when you're typing, and the typing and clicking, everything works really good, everything really reliable. There haven't been any missing keystrokes, no duplicate, no nothing. We have also the F keys. We have also these special functions like with the audio increase and decrease audio volume. We have also the numlock here, as you can see. You can nicely use this. There's also an LED for the caps lock, really helpful. Also battery indicator, but I'm expecting the battery to last very long because it has been going into standby mode pretty fast, and then when you hit a key it turns on again, exactly same as with the mouse. Goes always into sleep to save some battery and then comes instantly back. I never had any delays. I've even been doing some gaming and everything feels really nice. You can see that also scrolling is working good. What I love here, that the scroll wheel is flat. That's something which I really like. And you can see the different speed when I hit the DPI button. Now it's much slower. Now it's much faster. You can see the different DPI settings. Yeah, I felt really comfortable right from the beginning with this set here. That's awesome. And as a nice bonus, we have this extra internet button here. I've never seen that before, which brings you directly to the internet browser. And the mouse really works on pretty much every surface. I can even remove the mouse pad and you can see it is still working, where most of the computer mice which I've tested so far are heavily struggling. But of course it's still comfortable and probably a little bit more precise with something which is not totally white and mirroring and a little bit of more comfort for my hand to be not on a hard surface. Also, the ergonomic support has helped me a lot to stay comfortable for a longer time. So I would say this is a really awesome starter set, especially considering the super low price, and so it can give you full recommendation. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.